In this video, we present the Tradingview indicator, Ranges and Breakouts by AlgoAlpha. What is this indicator? Ranges and Breakouts indicator helps traders see how prices move in the market. It's like a map that shows you where prices are staying steady and when they might change direction. How it works. The tool looks at price highs and lows over time. When prices stay in the same area for a while, it draws a box on the chart. It then shows you the middle of this price zone and gives signals when prices break out of this area. Finds price ranges. Automatically shows where prices are staying in a specific zone. Alerts you to changes. Tells you when prices might be about to jump up or down. Shows easy to see visuals. Uses color and lines to help you understand market moves. Gives you warning signals. Helps you know when to buy or sell. How to use this Tradingview indicator. 1. Add to your chart. Click the star to save the tool. Adjust settings to match how you like to trade. 2. Watch the chart. Look for colored boxes showing price ranges. See lines that help you understand price movements. 3. Spot market changes. Watch for color shifts that show the price is moving. Get alerts about potential trading chances. 4. Set your alerts. Create custom warnings for price changes. Stay informed without watching the screen all day. Pro tip: always combine this indicator with other trading knowledge for the best results. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.